Welcome to the mangrove forest.
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've decided to take you to where mangrove trees just grow by themselves. It's actually my first time to come across them and I'm super excited. I thought it's nice to tag you along. Hope you will enjoy the video till the end. Ensure you hit the subscribe button, like the video, share, comment, and let me get to know what you think about today's video. So welcome to a new video.
We are in the middle of nowhere. So guys, leo nimewaleta. Oh my god, these are called mangroves. Naweza kata?
Naweza kata.
Yeah. These are called, mesema zinaitwa?
Mangrove. Kama mikoko in Kiswahili.
We, alafu kwa Kiswahili?
Mikoko.
Yeah guys, in Swahili they are called mikoko. So we are here in the middle of mikoko, just as you can see. I am so excited. I've never seen this. I've learned about mangroves, but I had never seen it like hivi. So these are the mikokos. And my guide of today atakuwa anatuonyesha how to plant these mikokos. So I am so excited today. I can't wait to take you along. Acha niwaonyeshe kwanza. So guys, here is where we are. We are inside mikoko. And I'm so excited. This is totally mikoko. So the most exciting part is how they are planted. I can't wait to share with you how you plant this mikoko. So si tutaenda utuonyeshe vile huwa zinapandwa.
Mbegu zake ni hizi. Unaona wale zetu mbegu zake ni hizi. Unaona vile inakaa.
Oh wow.
Wakati imekomaa naachilia. Ikiachilia na shoot na
automatically. So guys, I'm told kama seeds, once it's mature it falls down automatically like that. Then hivyo tu ndio inapandwa. This is so exciting. Let's try again for the second time. This is the seedling, or we can call it what? Just the seedling. Once it's mature like that, it falls. Ooh! So guys,
this is in a 6 months. This one here.
Which one?
This one.
Hii iko na?
Sindio hiyo?
6 months.
Yeah, kama 3 months hiyo.
3 months kama hii.
Unaona venye imeshika. Hiyo umeweka pale chini. Ikishika kule juu sasa ndo kuna inatoa majani.
We.
Unaona hiyo.
Hii hakuna ati ungangane.
Bana ikikaka inakaa kama hivyo inakuwa tu mti hivi.
Yeah. So guys, ours are here. We'll come after 6 months or after 1 year to check on them. I am so excited. I'm so marveled. Oh. Sasa umesema zinatumika kufanya nini?
Sasa kujenga.
Kujenga nyumba. Inakuwa kubwa kama hii. Hii ni mangrove. So guys, I'm told this tree is a mangrove tree. So our tree will be big like this one. We'll come to see it in the next 1 year. It will have grown a bit. But this is just an example of a mature mangrove tree. I'm told it is used in building. Yeah. You see how big it is, and it's as well very strong. So guys, we are here in the middle of this mangrove. Can we call it mangrove forest? And just on your right, is it on your right or on your left, we have the bridge, the Dongo Kundu bridge. So I am so excited. Basically, we have just rotated and moved down here below the bridge. So I am so excited to have my guide of the day. We have so more mangrove trees here. Wow, I'm excited. Wow, all these are called the mangrove trees. Yeah, naziona. So guys, these are the small ones. So kama hizi zimefikisha miezi kama ngapi? Oh. Wow, I am so excited. You guys, my guys, you have no idea how excited I am. I've never seen this. Why lie? I only learned in school of mangrove trees. So we have more seeds here. These are the seeds of the mangrove tree. these ones. See, you seeing them, these ones. Wow, these are the seeds. Wow, I am very much excited. I've never seen this before. Ooh, oh my God. Hey. Hey. Kweli Mungu si kamao. God is so wonderful. Hey. God is a designer. Oh my goodness, I'm very much excited, and I'm see how your girl is sweating. Yeah, we are in the middle of nowhere. Welcome to the mangrove forest. Welcome to Dongo Kundu Bridge. Welcome to the mangrove forest. Welcome to the mangrove forest. Eh. Yeah, it is what it is. Well, anyway, let's check. So from the bahari. Yeah, I'm told. Unasema huwa yanajaa huku. Naona, guys, water is moving, basically moving from that side to here. Unaona maji yanasonga tu. I'm told this all area sometimes it is covered with water. So it depends. But as you can see, water is slowly moving from the ocean to this side. Si mnaona maji? Msiseme mjaona. You see how it's moving basically from the ocean towards this other side. Ka ilikuanga nini?
Ka. Iko hivi. Nani uko kama hivi. Hapa kuna ile
Ngoja, ni yule
ukisearch hapo crab utampata.
Si snail.
Si snail, nakwambia ukisearch hapo crab. Utapata.
So nyumba yake ni gani?
Nyumba zao ni hizi. Kuna mashimo.
Hizo mashimo? Hala. So hizi ndio nyumba za crab. Guys, I'm told crab ni kaa. And these holes you are seeing, they are the houses of the crabs. Na hizi ni kuni za kupikia?
Unatumia kuni, kupikia kujengea nyumba, mbao.
Kama ni kuni. Wow. Atwa sasa? Oh.
Ukikata unapanda. Unaona wakikata anapa? Anapanda moja.
So guys, we wanna rest here hapa chini ya bridge. Tukitoka tupita na ile side. So guys, it's been a nice adventure, and we just wanna rest a bit here just below this bridge as we view the ocean, and yeah, then we'll be calling it a day for today. So thank you so much for watching today's video, and kindly please do subscribe, like, share, comment. Let me get to know what you think about the mangroves. Have you ever seen them, or it is your first time just like me to see the mangrove trees? I am so excited and marveled at the same time. Anyway, drop a comment down in the comment section. Let me get to know what you think about today's video. Let's meet in the next video, and bye bye. Thank you so much for tuning in. Take me to 2,000 subscribers. I really appreciate. Bye bye.